Hello everyone. Here with me today I have our 1992 Suzuki Alto IE. It's got the 660cc 3-cylinder F6A engine. It's in pretty good shape. Has a few minor cosmetic things that start going over them. Looks like it had an RSR badge at some point and was removed, but the glue is still there. You'll also notice that the wheels on the front are different from the ones on the rear. They're different rims. Not quite sure what the story on that is, and I make it a habit of not swapping out wheels or rims unless it's absolutely necessary on these things, because, well, that's something so subjective and everyone has different tastes, and it just becomes kind of difficult to find something that's one size fits all. Like, for example, I'm actually pretty partial on Steelies, but I would have gone with just Steelies all the way around, but I know I'm on the losing side of that argument, since most folks are not huge fans of just Steelies. The interiors are in really good shape. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's in great shape. No weird tears or rips anywhere. Back seats are great. As you can see, the shift knob is actually in the trunk. It's not a very nice looking shift knob, which is why I removed it. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look at it right now while we're looking at the interior. Oh. As you can see, the shift knob it has, not very pretty. I use it, but I removed it for the pictures just because it looks kind of hideous, to be fair. I do like how long it is. It makes it easy to find, but not a very good looking shift knob. Let's go over and take a look on this side. It actually has power windows, and also the adjustment for the mirrors is also power, which is kind of cool for a K car. Not super common to see a K car with that. The passenger door handle, it does work, but the piece behind the handle that holds it to the door's a bit cracked. On the passenger side, driver's side's just fine, and as you can see, there's no cracks or anything on the dash. I mean, it's in great shape. I apologize for the glare, it's that time of day. One interesting thing is it has a radio, but it doesn't have any speakers wired. If you saw the trunk, I had a set of speakers that I was going to wire on there. I just ran out of time to work on this thing. So let's go ahead and start it up. Starts right up. Let's go take a look. And it drives great. I've actually driven this on a few road trips. Drove it out to Savannah not too long ago, which was from Atlanta to Savannah, which is a cool trip. Here's the engine. Go ahead and battery's in great shape. It holds charge really well. And I mean, this thing is just really cool. I will not lie, this has been one of my favorite sporty kind of K cars because it's actually really practical and it's still plenty quick. Does have the turbo F6A engine, which is really cool and nice and quick. And yeah, I mean, there's the shift knob again. Hope this video was informative. Oh, last thing, mileage is right, just over 51,000 kilometers, which means it's roughly about 32,000 miles on the odometer. Also, another interesting thing about this one is it's not equipped with AC, which I thought was interesting because it does have power windows and whatnot, but it doesn't even have an AC system. So another thing to bear in mind. All right, everyone. Thank you for looking, and y'all have a great day.